Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open up the web page of HSBC Bank. So to do that, first we need to open up any web browser. In this video, I'm gonna use Google. After opening up Google, in the URL bar, type in HSBC Bank. After that, there is an option called Log On to Online Banking. Click on that, which will lead you to its official webpage of HSBC Bank. So that was the process of opening the official webpage of HSBC Bank. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification if you want to get notification of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.